Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix a microphone problem in a mobile phone. For many cases, I've heard people complaining that their mics are not working. For example, if you are calling someone, they are not able to hear you, but you can hear them. In that case, usually the problem is not a microphone. Under your phone here next to the charging port or the earphone jack, there is a hole for the mic where the sound comes in. Usually there is some dirt that gets stuck on this hole because it is so tiny. So the solution is to get a sharp object. You can use a needle and try to poke here, but do not push it too much in because you can end up poking the microphone, and you really don't want to do that and cause damage to the microphone. For phones that are closed like this phone doesn't open up. It's completely closed. So for phones like this, it is rare that dust can get inside the phone, but it does get clogged or jammed in here in the microphone jack. So that can prevent the sound from coming in. Just get a sharp object and poke it in here. It's gonna remove some dirt there. Okay, but for phones like this phone is totally different from this one. It can be opened and dust can easily come inside and all sort of dirt. In that case, you might need to open the phone itself. Like I'm going to open this one. All right. For this phone, the motherboard is somewhere here, as you can see it. In this case, you need to get some sort of a cloth and try to wipe the microphone in here and make sure that it's clean. You can also, if there is a hole here, you can also put a sharp object to remove some dirt on it. Otherwise, if it's not working, then it requires to be replaced. But it's a rare case that the microphone gets damaged to the point where it requires to be replaced. Thank you for watching this video. See you on the next video.